Hello everyone, my name is Manang Patni and I'm from the Epoch protocol team. So, have you ever been in a situation where, well, you're claiming your rewards on a platform like Gov again and again, or you're doing monthly or weekly payments to your team on Safe, or you're just buying the dip again and again? Well, we were into this exact same situation and we were tired of it. So we looked into Web3 for solutions like Zapier or IFTTT and figured there's nothing like that. There's a clear lack of non-custodial solutions that let users automate anything in Web3 and let them do any simple tasks like SIP, streaming, or whatever they want to do. And if devs want to do this exact same thing, they waste a lot of dev hours trying to create new smart contracts, get them audited, etc., etc. But our solution is to create a very general purpose automation protocol that lets users automate anything in Web3. This is completely account abstraction based, and we are using Safe under the hood. We are making it 4 times faster for developers to automate logic for their dApps and let their users automate all the transactions so they get more time to touch grass. Now, let me show you a quick demo of what we have built till now. So this is the Epoch generic dApp. Now, as a user, you would see all our products that we have made on the left-hand side, and there's some sources from which you can fetch the transactions that you want to automate. For instance, let me connect the Epoch dApp with Aave and automate depositing to Matic. So I am going to Aave, clicking on Connect Wallet. I'll get the Wallet Connect URI, and I'll put it there on the Epoch dApp. As soon as I'm connected to the Aave, I can go to Aave and just go ahead with my life the way I usually do. I'll automate this depositing to Matic transaction. So you see, I'll approve it, and it will come to the actions down below. Let it come. There. So now I can see whatever transactions I'm trying to do. This could be a very complicated list of transactions like swapping on Uniswap and then depositing on EigenLayer and then restaking on some other platform, all of that. Lastly, once I'm done with all of this, I can also copy somebody else's transaction. So let's say Vitalik is doing something very cool and I want to copy it. I'll just put the transaction hash and all the details would be gathered from there. Once I'm done with creating this batch of action, I can then set triggers like time-based, event-based, whether I'm receiving a token, off-chain APIs, anything. In the meantime, while the transaction is getting added, all I need to do is just sign this transaction, and it will come up on the right-hand side, and you'll be able to see, okay, I'm doing deposit at, and then deposit some token. Well, that's it. Whenever the trigger is hit, your transaction will go to the chain. As simple as that. Going back to the pitch deck, in the last couple of months, we have achieved a lot. We have been part of Longash and Safe Accelerator. We are also part of Consensus Fellowship, and we are live on Arbitrum, obviously. We have received more than 12,000 beta signups, out of which we have only picked 3,000, and they are giving us continuous feedback. We are improving daily based on their feedback and adding more and more features. The roadmap is pretty exciting. We're going to be adding webhooks, off-chain APIs, off-chain compute, so that the users can do whatever they want with the data and then send transactions based on that. We're going to be also adding pluggable modules so that you can do things like AI agents, where it's very much simpler for the users to make their transactions and then automate them. Lastly, we're going to be like decentralizing our whole bundler pool. We are going to be making our own app chain, bundler nodes, all of that. And to achieve all of this, we have got the best team. Abhimanyu and Akshat, they have been co-founders of another project which got acquired. We have all been in the Web3 space for 5+ years, have been winners of more than 15 hackathons, mentors, judges. We are also mentors at ETH Denver right now. And yeah, again, we think we are the best team to do this. For now, we are asking for $2 million that we are going to be using to scale this whole product. And you can reach us out by scanning this QR code. Thank you very much.